You can see it in that nylon bag. The wood stove's down in this bag. There's a cot right there, and then there's my bedroll. So we're gonna head into the woods. I gotta find a good spot. Also, we've got it comes with them in here, but they're little mats you put on the ground, so then the tent can go on top of them. So yeah, we're gonna get into the woods, and I'm gonna set this up. Here's the spot where the tent was. You can see where it heated up even through that ground mat, which is surprising, but yep. I ended up just packing up. It didn't take long at all, honestly. Just pulls together, put your 2 tie downs on it, throw it in the bag, put the accessories in, and zip it up. So yeah, worked out pretty good, and I enjoyed it. So